Well, I got a new project in the shop today. Some of you who've been around a long time may remember this bike. It was used by Viking Motorcycle, me and my partner, to test a lot of the products that we built, including our custom exhaust system and jet kit. And this bike has a lot of the prototype stuff on it. And it was garage kept its entire life until about a year ago, when it made its way to the beach and it was stored outside. And this is what 1 year of stored outside Newport Beach does to chrome. You can see it's all pitted and gross and green. Man, everything is, this bike is a mess. So this is my new project. There's the Viking exhaust system, ruined. Gonna have to take it all apart, re-ceramic coat, re-chrome. First, the carburetors have to come off. They have to get rebuilt. Tank's probably got to get cleaned and flushed and rebuilt, and change the filter in that side. And I got a plastic weld the centerpiece there, because that thing's broken up pretty bad, and I don't know if Honda even sells them anymore. It still has the handlebars we made. Let's see if we can get around this side. Got some custom handlebars and some aftermarket grips. Full project. It's gross. It's crazy what the salt water will do to a pristine motorcycle. Look at that. Can you see? I don't know if you can see. It's like, feel how rough it is. It's all pitted, gross, everything, everywhere. Everywhere you look, everything is ruined. The weather just killed this poor bike. But we can fix it. So you're gonna take some time, rub some money on it, some elbow grease. I think along the way we're going to customize it a little bit, take the forks apart, shorten them, powder coat them, or chrome them maybe, or maybe a little bit of both. Chrome and or polish the wheels, do some different rotors, maybe a super valve kit for the back, get rid of the trunk, or at least make the trunk easily removable. It's got half of a ultimate seat and then the stock rider seat, but I believe the rest of the ultimate seat's floating around here somewhere. Look, gross. So I think tomorrow I'll give this thing a bath and then get it up on the table, take it apart, see if I can get it to make some noise.